Welcome, engineers. Today we're looking at the Ziegler-Nichols PID Tuning Calculator, a tool that solves one of the most common challenges in control systems, determining optimal PID controller parameters. When you're designing a control loop, getting the right proportional, integral, and derivative gains can mean the difference between stable, responsive control and an oscillating mess. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll enter the ultimate gain, abbreviated KU. This is the gain value where your system begins sustained oscillations with proportional control only. Next is the ultimate period, 2, measured in seconds. This is the period of those sustained oscillations at the ultimate gain. The controller type dropdown gives you 3 options: P for proportional only, PI for proportional integral, and PID for proportional integral derivative. For our demonstration, we'll select PID to get the full parameter set. Here's a practical example. Say you're tuning a temperature control system. Through testing, you've determined your ultimate gain is 4.2 and your ultimate period is 8 seconds. Enter 4.2 in the ultimate gain field, 8 in the ultimate period field. Select PID from the dropdown, then click Calculate PID Parameters. The calculator immediately provides your tuned values. For this example, you'll get a KP of approximately 2.52, which is your proportional gain that determines how aggressively the controller responds to errors. These Ziegler-Nichols values give you a solid starting point for stable control with good disturbance rejection. One critical mistake to avoid: never use ultimate gain values obtained from simulation. Always use real system testing. Find the link in the description below.